Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about Magnam Pro capsules. Due to constant stress, a feeling of fatigue, an incorrect lifestyle and a number of other factors, many men sooner or later may face problems with potency. Unfortunately, erectile dysfunction is quite common in our time, accompanied by extremely unpleasant symptoms and significantly impairs the quality of a person's sexual life. In search of elimination of the problem of impotence, many men try a variety of ways, from creams and pills to traditional medicine. Yes, today in world a drug has appeared that will help to get rid of the problem of impotence and erectile dysfunction once and for all. This new product is MagnaPro Erection Capsules. In this video, you can learn about what it is, how it works, what are the advantages of the product. The link to the manufacturer's website can be found in the description. Currently there is a promotional sale 50% off. Limited quantities available. If you have to deal with intimate problems, do not get too upset. They, of course, indicate that the state of health leaves much to be desired, but they can be completely eliminated. This can be done using MagnaPro. It acts quickly and efficiently, allowing you to get the result in the shortest possible time. What is MagnaPro? MagnaPro unique capsules for erection and potency are designed to solve this problem once and for all. They have a safe and natural composition, so they do not harm the body, unlike many modern pharmaceutical products. Other advantages include speed of action, sustainable results and affordable cost. MagnaPro is available in easy-to-use capsules. Has awards in the field of urology and extremely positive feedback from specialists. And many men who manage to normalize their condition leave words of gratitude to the manufacturer. The action of MagnaPro Erection Capsules is aimed at restoring erectile function in men. The natural ingredients in MagnaPro capsules penetrate the body to promote testosterone production, which in turn affects most aspects of male health, strength, prolonged intercourse, good sperm quality, low fatigue, etc. Thanks to this tool, you can not only get rid of the symptoms of impotence, but also strengthen men's health and prevent complications. The capsules contain exclusively natural ingredients. They do not cause side effects and addiction and have no contraindications. They can be used at any age from the moment of full puberty. To better know how the MagnaPro erection preparation works, you need to try it yourself and make sure. However, you can get acquainted with the action of the drug MagnaPro right now. Thanks to the test of the MagnaPro drug on men, the following effect of the capsules on the body was revealed: normalizes the activity of the genitourinary system, promotes a stable and strong erection, has a positive effect on the duration of sexual intercourse, stimulates male libido, eliminates painful sensations that can often occur when urinating or during intimacy, improves the quality of semen, prevents premature ejaculation, normalizes hormonal levels, strengthens and tones blood vessels, expands them, ensuring normal blood circulation. MagnaPro comes in capsule format. This is the most optimal pharmacological form for such a purpose. They are easy to consume at home or with a partner, at work, on the road or elsewhere, while maintaining privacy. Without packaging, nothing hints at the purpose of the pills.